Linear regression is one of the simplest and most important machine learning algorithms. Its goal is to learn the relationship between an input and an output so that it can make predictions on new data. Imagine you want to predict the price of a house. You collect information about different houses, including their size and selling price. As house size increases, the price generally increases as well. Instead of guessing prices manually, we can train a machine learning model to learn this pattern from the data. First, we plot the data on a graph. On the horizontal axis, we place house size. On the vertical axis, we place house price. Each house becomes a point on the graph. As more points appear, we begin to notice a clear trend. Larger houses tend to have higher prices, while smaller houses tend to have lower prices. To capture this relationship, linear regression draws a straight line through the data. This line is called the best fit line because it represents the overall pattern of the data points. The equation of this line is y equals m times x plus b. Here, x represents the input feature, which is the house size. Y represents the predicted output, which is the house price. The value m is called the slope. The slope tells us how much the predicted price changes when the house size increases. The value b is called the intercept. The intercept determines where the line crosses the vertical axis. Once the model learns this line, it can make predictions for new houses it has never seen before. For example, if a house has a size of 1,500 square feet, the model can estimate its price using the learned relationship. However, predictions are not always perfect. Some points lie above the line while others lie below it. The difference between the actual value and the predicted value is called the prediction error, or residual. A good linear regression model tries to minimize these errors and make predictions as accurate as possible. To summarize, we start by collecting data. We plot the data on a graph. We find the best fit line that captures the relationship between the variables. We use that line to make predictions, and we evaluate how accurate those predictions are by measuring the prediction error. That is linear regression, one of the fundamental building blocks of machine learning and